Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Koski, and I work with Dr. Czerniecki to develop new cancer immunotherapies here at Kent State University. I'd like to show you my laboratory and introduce you to the members of my team. Let's have a look inside and see what's going on. Come on in. That's Ariel, one of my PhD students. She looks pretty busy with an experiment, so we won't bother her right now. I shot this video right before the COVID outbreak, so that's why we aren't wearing any masks yet. But what you are seeing represents the typical activities any day in my lab. Up ahead is my colleague, Dr. Showalter, and it looks like she's mentoring Abhi, an undergraduate student researcher who comes all the way from Nepal. I don't see my other PhD student, Carissa. I wonder where she's at. Oh, I know. She must be in the student office area, right next to the lab. Here it is. As you can see, it's a great place to read journals, plan experiments, or take a coffee break. It looks like Carissa is in the midst of analyzing some data from a recent experiment. Hi, Carissa. I wanted to say a little more about Dr. Showalter. She earned her PhD in my lab and has been with me ever since. I could not ask for a better colleague. She manages the day-to-day activities of the laboratory and is a great hands-on mentor to the students. Here she is analyzing some experimental data on a device that measures immune responses from cultured blood cells. Every one of those spots you see represents a single T cell that responds to the vaccine. We use this to quantify and compare responses to various experimental vaccine preparations. Here's Carissa again, and she's using the fantastic new microscope that was purchased for us with funds from Penniesinaction. Not only are the optics way better than the sad old microscope it replaces, this one is fitted with an electronic camera and a computer that can capture and archive all of our important images. Special thanks to Melissa Nicholas and the students for raising the funds. Here we are back with Ariel, and she is using our flow cytometer, a device that uses lasers and fluorescent light to study how treatments are affecting cancer cells grown in culture. She is looking at how anti-inflammatory drugs can combine with vaccination to prove effectiveness. Way to go, Ariel! Well, that's about it. I'll be posting more videos centering around each of my team, because fighting cancer is what we love, and we do it every day. Thanks to Penniesinaction for your support.